In this episode of app tutorial, I'm going to show you the process on how to deactivate your Facebook account. If you want to take a break from your Facebook, then deactivating is a great way. So let me quickly show you how it's done. First of all, open up your Facebook app and tap on the menu icon on the top right. From this menu, you just need to scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now inside of settings, to directly reach the deactivation page, just tap on the search bar and search for access and control. Once you search for it, these results will open up. You just need to tap on the option which says access and control, and it's gonna straight take you to a section where you can tap on deactivation and deletion. Make sure you select the deactivate account option and tap on continue to account deactivation. Type in the password of your Facebook account and tap on continue. In the next section, you need to choose a reason of deactivating your Facebook. Just tap on any of these reasons and tap on continue. In the next section, you just need to scroll down and you'll see a section of reactivating your account. By default, 7 days would be selected. So if you don't want your account to be reactivated automatically, you can tap on this arrow and select don't reactivate automatically. This way your account won't be automatically reactivated and you'll need to reactivate it manually. After that, tap on continue. Now the one thing that you need to know is that if you don't reactivate your account within 30 days of deactivating it, your account will be deleted. So that is an important thing that you need to know. So make sure you reactivate your account within 30 days of you deactivating it. Unless you do that, your account will be deleted. So lastly, through this section, just tap on deactivate my account and your account will be successfully deactivated. And to reactivate it, you just need to type in your credentials such as your username and password and log into your account as you normally do, and your account will be successfully deactivated as well. So that's the exact process on how to deactivate your Facebook account. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.